got a start on the electrical. Had a friend of mine come by and tell me how to hook everything up. So I've been able to get it mounted. There's one of the batteries right there. I've got one more in the house, and then I've got two more on order. So I'll have a total of 4. That should give me a total of 500 amp hours with 250 usable. And then I'll enclose all of this inside of this closet here. The other piece to it is right there. So I'm going to have to cut and reshape that board because I cut it a little bit too narrow. So I've got to do that. And then I'm working on putting the lights in right now, getting all that wired. I was holding off because I didn't know if I needed to change anything or if what I had up there was good. So apparently it's all good. I'm going to wire it all up and button the ceiling up, and then start finishing the remainder of the paneling as I work my way towards the wiring. I still need a few more parts for the wiring, so I'm not going to finish that today, but I'll do a video of that after I'm done. Well, I got the cabinet here, side of the cabinet, trimmed up a little bit, and it fits a lot closer than it did. Once I install the rest of the paneling, you won't see that gap there. I closed it up fairly good. I was able to get the remainder of the paneling on, at least in the high top. I still have to do down here, but I think I'll just do this section over here and then just maybe cover this with some plywood or something, because it's going to be inside of a closet. The other thing, I was able to get most of this done. A couple of places where I have to patch, but so I think that'll close that off real nice. I'm trying to figure out how to enclose this wiring and that metal frame there. I've got an idea, so I'm going to work on that for the next video, hopefully, and show you guys that. The other thing that I did was I got the lights installed. They're not powered up yet, but they're almost, they're getting there. And then I got the fan shroud installed. So all that's done up top. I still have to close this off with that 1x1 or furring strip or whatever that's called. And then I have to finish wiring up the electrical. I needed some additional parts. I got the wrong circuit breakers, so I have to get 15 amps instead of 30 amps. I actually got the 30 amps by mistake. Then I just connect these wires into the appropriate spots, and then my buddy's going to come by and we're going to run the 110 outlet, and then we're just going to check everything. So shouldn't be too much longer.